grow alfalfa sprouts in a jar. Growing alfalfa and different sprouts in a jar are easy, fast, and fun. Putting nutritious sprouts on your salads and sandwiches add vitamins, flavor, and surface. As an added advantage, sprouts can be grown and harvested within a matter of days. And when you grow them yourself, you realize they are the freshest around. Materials to grow alfalfa sprouts in a jar. Number 1, clean mason style jar with cover. Number 2, 1 small hammer. Number 3, 1 large nail, new and unused. Number 4, 1 elastic band. Cutting board. Water. Alfalfa or other grow seeds, available at natural nourishment stores. Sterile cheesecloth or sterile gauze to drain. Bearings to grow alfalfa sprouts in a jar. Unscrew the metal ring of the mason jar cover and expel the lining from the top. Place the lining with the metal side up on a cutting board and hammer several air gaps into the cover using a clean nail. Place the cover back in the ring and put aside. Add approximately 2 tablespoons of alfalfa seeds for a large mason jar, or 1 to 2 tablespoons of seeds for a medium mason jar, and spread the seeds with approximately 2 inches at room temperature water. Place the spread on the jar and secure. At that point allow it to sit medium term. In the morning, expel the cover from the jar, place gauze or cheesecloth over the opening. Secure material with an elastic band and gradually drain the water out. Rinse the drained seeds in the jar by adding room temperature water, never use ice water or high temp water, and delicately swishing the seeds around the jar in a circular movement. Drain the water again and repeat this procedure 2 times every day, consistently until the sprouts are the ideal size for utilization. Make sure to place the jar of sprouts in a window or another well-lit location between rinses. Sprouts will appear in a matter of days and will typically be ready to eat after about 5 days. Store the sprouts in the refrigerator in a breathable container or a plastic sustenance storage bag with a paper towel inside to absorb abundant dampness. Use within a couple of days. These headings can be utilized to grow most kinds of garden sprouts from seed. However, growing occasions may vary depending on the seed variety.